Relief for Kamal Haasan. The Madras High Court has given an interim order on his film Vishwarupam, saying the imposition of Section 144 in districts to be kept in abeyance, which means that the film is going to be perhaps released. Remember, the state government had put a stay on the release of the film for 2 weeks after Muslim groups threatened to protest, saying that there were parts of the film which were anti-Islam. Meenakshi Mahadevan, who's been tracking this case in Chennai, now joins us. Meenakshi, what has the judge said?
It was really a two-page order only that he had to come and read out, and he came and did so. Almost in the first line, he said that the main petition, which is basically challenging the imposing of Section 144, that has to be kept in abeyance. Soon after he finished reading that order, the state, of course, asking for him to give that permission to appeal further, so that they in fact wanted the Section 144, the abeyance, the Section 144 to be kept in abeyance only till tomorrow, so that they can go and appeal. But the judge clearly stating that the order stands, which means as of now it's a relief for Kamal Haasan. The movie can be released, is what his counsel is telling us. Section 144 really was the main grounds. Remember, the government had not really banned the movie. They had only imposed Section 144 in all of the 31 districts, and thereby the screening of the movie was not allowed. It was Section 144 has to be imposed for a period of 15 days. So therefore it was sort of an informal ban on the movie for the next 15 days at least. And now the Madras High Court has ordered the lifting of Section 144, which means the theatres can go ahead and screen the movie as early as tomorrow itself.
Right, the judge took his time in giving this order. We've been waiting for a decision on this since this morning, and it's only post 10 p.m. that he came out and gave his decision. The Tamil Nadu government also gave a strong defense of the stay that it had imposed.
So that's right, it was definitely a long day at the Madras High Court. The judge in fact preferring to combine all the writ petitions that came in this particular case and hearing them today at length. In fact, the argument started as early as 11:30, and he went on hearing each one of those petitioners and respondents till as late as 6 o'clock in the evening. It was only after he had heard each of those parties that he said that he would decide by about 8 o'clock whether the orders would come today or not. And about 8 o'clock we got information that the orders would be read out at around 10 o'clock, and just after 10, the judge walked into the court once again and read out the two-page order lifting Section 144 from all these districts, which was really the main contention. The petitioner had in fact stated that this ban itself was illegal because none of these orders were served to them at all. Only the district authorities were conveyed to, were asked to impose Section 144 depending on the law and order situation, and therefore that the ban should not stand. That was really the main contention. But soon after, there were several other writ petitions that came in, but today the judge giving an interim order asking for Section 144 to be kept in abeyance, which means the movie can be now screened across Tamil Nadu.
Right, remains to be seen when it hits the theatres there in Tamil Nadu, but the road being cleared for Kamal Haasan's controversial film, that is the big story breaking this evening.